there everybody, and welcome to the second episode of how to make a clicker game in Scratch. Now, I broke my microphone, so that's why you can sometimes hear me in a reverb, because I threw my laptop on, my microphone, my laptop, a couple times to be funny. My mom's gonna kill me. But anyways, let's just get straight into it. So, you guys remember this game? Yeah. So, in this episode, I'll be showing you how to add style. So, the text will be different. We'll be changing the text. Like, we'll be giving it a background, and it will also be I will show you at the end, probably. So the first thing we are going to do is actually really simple. Just add a background. I'm going to add this one. 50. A little dog. Okay. Okay, so this is my backdrop. You should save. Really important. Now, what I want to show you is how we can have little apples in the background. Let me show you. So, create a clone of myself, and when I start as a clone, set size to 50. Set ghost effect to 60. Now go to Y to 100, and X is a random number from minus 200 to 200. And it should forever go down. So it's forever. Oh, I accidentally clicked something. Change Y by minus 10. And if the X position, Y position is equal to minus 180. Then delete this clone. So basically, what does the hold up. Also, let's set a size to 100 here. So this is what I will do. Oops, hold up, guys. They didn't delete themselves. Oh, I did X position. It needs to be Y position. Sorry, guys. Wait. Change this to Y position. And now it should really be working. There we go. Also, you should delete this clone because Scratch has a limit of 300 clones, so it's like resets. It's a lot, but it's never 300. Now, the last thing I want to show you, and this is where the hard part begins, is how to change the look of your text, of your score, I mean. First, actually, you may or may not watched our video that is about changing the style of your text. Recommend watching it. What did I want to write? Scratch one. Okay, score. Just put this here for now. Wait, this is not supposed to be a sprite. It's supposed to be in the backdrop, but that will be discussed later. For now, we just make integers from 1 to 9 and also 0. So we'll just name this one. I did control backspace, by the way. Duplicate this. Change this to 2. So on and so on. At the end, I won't be putting 10. I will be putting 0. Just in case, you know. Oh, actually, not just in case, because 0 will be at the beginning since you have nothing. So that's pretty useful. And 0. Oh wait, let me just change this to 0. Okay, so what we need to do is actually wait, hold up. Okay, so I should go to, I don't know, 60. Yes, okay. So forever. Oh, there we go. Set score to letter 1 of score. Oh no, wait, I did something incorrectly. Hold up, guys. Wait, how did I do this? Hello, guys. Set score. To question. Maybe that is it. Oh, it has to be the opposite actually, so this has to be here, but it's impossible. Anyways, let's see if maybe it's here. I haven't done this in a long time. Switch costume to, no way, hold up guys. This might be it. There we go, we found it. So what you have to, sorry guys for the long way, but it's really simple. One click switch costume, select 1 of score. But Daniel, wait, won't you just put it like score? Because because of the next step. For the second score integer, I think we should do like minus 95. Yeah, okay, that's great. So we should put this letter 2 of score. But before you start, wait a little. Should put it at the top. Yeah, okay. If score is less than 10, then hide, else show. So what this does is, if the score is less than 10, then this integer will hide. But if it's 10 or above, then it will show. And this will also be the second letter, the second like number of score. Wait, let me just. Oops. No. This was stupid. This is not what is supposed to happen. Hold on, guys. Yes. Okay. So now it does work. See. So this for scratch. This is the second letter of score. Let's make it all the way to 10,000. You will need to change letter 3 of score and this to hide a number. Let's say minus 70. Letter 4 score 1000. And last digit. So now we have digits all the way to 10,000. We will update this in following episodes because the number will be bigger. Hopefully. Let's test it out. As you can see, numbers with 10 or above do work. And it looks like the apple are falling from the sky to down. Like they don't randomly disappear. It has like this cool animation. Okay, so 100 also works. Yeah, let's stop at... Oh guys, wait, hold up. Let's stop at the number 2 to the power of 7. So what you can do now is hide score because we don't need this anymore. I mean, we do need this, but we just can hide this. Or you can use score if you want. You can make it like this, but never do it like this because otherwise you can just like change, thingies. So let's just hide score. In the backdrop, go to the backdrop and add score like this. Yeah, I think that is a little small. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Almost. Let's make it a little bit small. Yeah, okay. This is good. Also, don't forget to save your work. This is so important, guys. If you don't save your work, then your day will be ruined, guys. If you are working on a big project, you have to hand in for school in one day, and you didn't save, and you should expect getting a 1 or an F, whatever you call it. So, thank you for watching. I'll say no, just to make sure. Thank you for watching this episode of how to make a clicker game in Scratch. And I'll see you in another episode. Nice day, goodbye.